Puerto Rico is La Isla del Encanto, the island of enchantment. And I think it's called that for good reason, because it's just so full of life and it's colorful. It has warm beaches and perfect weather, and the sun is always shining. It's where the old world meets the new world. In this lush Caribbean island, it's such a special place. Our capital, San Juan, is the oldest city in the United States. Old San Juan is probably the first stop you'll make when you get to Puerto Rico. It's got this gorgeous architecture, and it's this colorful place where all of our different cultures meet. And you've got some amazing places to eat, you can dance, you can listen to some lively music. It's really fun. In the old city, we have the Spanish fortress El Morro. You really have to check it out. You have kite flyers outside of it. After you see El Morro, go to La Factoria. It's one of the top bars in the world, and it brought cocktail culture back to the island. Check out the Lavender Mule when you go there. It's super refreshing. And then head to the beaches. If you want to see a more hip, artsy beach neighborhood, you should go to Ocean Park in Santurce. It's a really chill place to hang out. You can do some yoga or book a stay at the Dreamcatcher. It's so mellow there. Each of their guest rooms is uniquely designed, and they have some great vegetarian food options. If you're lucky, a local can take you to the farmer's market, or they can teach you a local recipe. Santurce is a very creative, vibrant area with all these murals from local artists, and the coffee is really great there too. You should definitely check out Café con C for the creamiest coffee ever. And then you should walk around and look at the art. Go to Lote 23. It's so much fun. There's a bunch of food stands, and people really go there to socialize, so it's a great place to meet locals. And if you want to get out of the city and do something a little more adventurous, definitely head to the rainforest. It's only an hour away from San Juan, so you can have lunch and be ziplining the next hour. If you go to the center of the island, it's mountainous. It's filled with hills and our lush rainforest. If you want to try something new and different, definitely come during a new moon and check out one of our bioluminescent bays. We have 3 out of the 5 in the entire world. After a long day of exploring, you should head over to La Placita. All of the locals go there to party in the streets because they close it to car traffic. And all of the bars are right next to each other, and each one is very different. So there's something for everyone. And you should definitely check out Santa Ella if you want something more upscale. But if not, if you want something more traditional and local, order the mofongo. Highly recommend it. You can also check out Unsere, which means hey you, for really great Cuban food. And if you're there, definitely get a rum drink. I suggest a mojito. You'll never get a better one. Then you should head out into the street, grab a partner, and dance the night away to some live salsa.